I'm preparing some pasta with broccoli. It's a recipe I've made very often in the past, and suddenly I didn't eat any broccoli the past year because I was fed up, I mean, maybe. So this is not the recipe I use usually, because the recipe I use usually calls for red onions, but I couldn't find it, so that will be this one. It's from an Italian cookbook. So it's traditional Italian stuff. Pasta with broccoli, so it's orecchiette with broccoli. That's it, that's just this page. Here we go. Not many ingredients, that's very simple recipe. So my ingredient would be this pasta. I chose the same one that's than the book. Some anchovies in oil, some garlic, some pepper, and some olive oil. And of course the broccoli. I went ahead and pre-cooked the broccoli. I use a pressure cooker rather than just boiling them. It's faster for me and easier. And while they are cooking, I'm gonna cook the garlic a little bit, roast the garlic and the anchovies. And then, even though it's not on the recipe, I will throw my pre-cooked broccoli in that to rub them with a taste. Start cooking, so I'm gonna put the minced garlic with some oil and roast it a little bit. Add the anchovies, smash them, and then some pepper and the broccoli to rub them, and they are more tasty. Garlic is cooking. Just added the anchovies. I'm going to smash them, and then I'll add the broccoli so they get all the flavor and some pepper. Broccolis are in, and I put some pepper also, so very simple recipe. I'm waiting for the pasta to finish up cooking, and then I toss that in. Serve that with some parmesan, and it's very simple recipe, full of flavor and with nice vegetables and a nice touch of the garlic and the anchovies. That's ready, so I'm gonna toss it and serve with some parmesan, and we are ready to eat. Pasta with broccoli, anchovies and garlic.